Hey guys,
Hi,
welcome back to Taste
Taste
of
of
Home.
Home. In our last video, we showed you how we created our raised garden bed, as you can see behind us. And we promised that in the next video, we were going to show you the whole garden working, planting some vegetables.
So today we'll show you a bit about how we planted some veggies and some disappointments we had used in the video.
I think it's very important that we tell people what Taste of Home is about.
We introduce ourselves a bit. We figured in the past videos we haven't had a chance to really speak about Taste of Home, what we are about, and
so Taste of Home is a channel where we showcase our lifestyle inclined to urban farming.
So we sort of have a small backyard homestead kind of vibe going on here. So we try and showcase what we do in the backyard.
Yes, and we also grow our own chickens. We get meat from the chickens. We also get eggs from the chickens. So that's a nice supply that we have. That's already working.
So in the past we've shown you a couple of videos related to how we hatch our chicks, so the incubator, and we've got a couple of other things going on.
Another thing that I wanted to mention is that farming has always been our passion. I remember at some time we actually once planted some tomatoes and some spinach on a balcony.
I remember. That was I think that's a story for another video. But we'll show you a few clips on what we're talking about. So we had a bit of some aquaponic gardening going on, and so I think we'll do a full video on that. And
and let us know in the comment section if you want us to show you more on these videos, and also if you want us to show you what happened after the part we want to show you where the garden got destroyed and how we got to work around it. And I hope you enjoy this video.
Right, enjoy guys. Alright, hi guys, these seedlings in this garden here. I'm just gonna put these seedlings. Wow, they're raw. That was tasty. These beds surrounding me. A few more left. Hey guys, today I'll be planting these.
So this morning we woke up and our raised bed was destroyed.
So the ladies have been busy digging this raised bed as if it wasn't raised. This is so frustrating. The only things that survived this scratching is the beans. They're still germinating. See another beans there. This is a watermelon. All the chomalia and all the other stuff is gone. I'd also put some seeds in here, but unfortunately I think they got buried under these piles of dirt. As you can see, I tried to label what I put. This is the first part, and I'd put kale on here. And I'd put beans. The beans I think survived. Still germinating. Got one here. Also survived. It's another one. And I'd put this tsunga. Oh, this is basically, I think it's called Chinese mustard or spinach. I'll put the name on the side here. Yeah, I put spinach here. Oh, so sad. You can see here some of the seeds I planted are starting to come out. There's some chili pepper as well that I planted here. And lastly, some cucumber. These dinosaurs, the dinosaurs' days are numbered. What did you do today? Busy?
She's one of the culprits.
I'm sure, sir. Yep. All the other dinosaurs are still in there. And well, these ones are always in the cage, so no problem. But this lady here might become KFC for this.
And I think she escaped through here. Not here, sorry. Because I saw her. Yes, I tried to kupasunga na wire, but I guess
Okay, let me just.
I didn't do. So maybe if we
No, it's fine. I'll close it.
maybe in the apple fruit. I think they now know good if they jump over.
I'm just gonna make sure I patch all the areas where the chickens are escaping from. So down here, they scratched their way up all the way there. Not the best looking fence, but I just try to make use of what is already lying around, like this piece of fence here, another one there. So I just stitched these together, well, until we put a proper fence. Proper might mean 3 months or 20 years from now. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna make sure there's no way out. I think she might have some eggs in that boxy thing over there, like a nest thing. Well, we might not be able to stop her, because if she wants to get out, she will get out. But for now, we're just gonna try and make sure nobody gets out until we make a plan on the raised bed. We're gonna make sure maybe that we at least put some kind of a mesh wire on top of it or around it, don't know, so that these guys don't get in. Yeah, anyway, part of the chicken keeping problems. Anyway, it's fine. We're just trying to look for food and stuff.
Then we also noticed again that that chicken, she likes to escape from the chicken coop because she's got a nest. So she's got a nest. She created a nest. Let me show you. So yeah, it's gonna be a very big battle to try to keep her inside. Now this is her nest. So that's her nest there. Okay, let me just use the other way to show you. So yeah, the reason why there is her eggs. That's her nest there. I hope you can see. Those are the eggs. So she created a nest there. I think she doesn't like it. She doesn't like sharing with the other ladies there. But I think this is the only one left. I hope we can save this one and we'll be able to replant it. This is what happened. I think we can save this one too. We'll try to replant them, and this one too. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we've got 4 kale that's left. This is a watermelon. It's still okay, and that's a bean. No, this is so disappointing. This is so disappointing. This is what happens if you have chickens. Chickens will destroy everything. So yeah, this is the update so far regarding the vegetables we planted and how the chickens have destroyed. Let me actually pick up these eggs and we're gonna have breakfast with her eggs. That's what she gets. We'll eat all her eggs now. We're gonna take all of them. I'm not leaving anything here. I'm gonna take everything. Let's see. They're a bit dirty. It's okay. It's because yeah, these chickens sometimes they do this. They'll create a nest where they feel it's safe. But for now, we'll have breakfast.
Damn, whilst I was recording, couldn't help but notice the roses. So cute, and they really look nice. I think we planted this a while back, some 4 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago. Now it's starting to flourish. It's kind of random, but just thought I should do this one and this as well. We planted the roses at the same time. cute. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one, I guess.
Yes, we'll catch you in the next video. Okay, cool.